straight to the point. When you import models from SketchUp into AutoCAD, there is one very annoying problem. Objects are split into separate surfaces. To turn them back into solids, you usually have to join everything manually. We fixed that. Here's my SketchUp file. I export it to DWG and open it in AutoCAD. As you can see, this is a typical situation. The model is made of many separate surfaces. Working with a file like this is inconvenient, and rebuilding the geometry by hand takes a lot of time. Now watch this. I simply select all objects on the screen and run the MeshToSolid command. The software automatically analyzes the geometry and converts the surfaces back into solids. Each object stays as a separate solid. They are not merged into one large multi-solid, so the original structure is preserved. Try AVC MeshToSolid for free and stop wasting time rebuilding SketchUp models after import.